Hey YouTube, this is Boost54 and I just came back from GameStop and I bought me my Dragon Age 2 Bioware Signature Edition, and the guy there was telling me that people kept calling and asking if they had any extras, and if you're one of those people, good luck, because these games are going out fast. There was only about 2 left when I saw the guy take out the games at my GameStop store. So I'm going to get to opening this up. Just find a way to do this. I'm using my phone. My camera is charging over there. Failed on me. I was going to record, but then just shut off. Looks like it's still not cut. Try this. Okay. There you go. The Bioware Signature Edition comes with a lot of extra stuff. I'll show you what it comes with in a second. I'll show you on the back. The game itself is very shiny. I can't see myself in the reflection here. So, alright. This is the game. And it's very shiny. And in the back, it says the Bioware Signature Edition, a download code for a playable character, and a bonus mission, exclusive in-game items, and including a digital armory, downloadable game soundtrack, and $20 value. So free $20. I just ended up paying the same price as the regular game. Now I'm gonna open it. Okay, so here's the game. I took out the promotion code and it says it just right out there, so you don't have to scratch out anything, so I'm not going to record that. And if you did see it, I'm probably just going to already have used it, so no point in trying. Okay, there's a Dead Space 2 card. The arrival has begun. Dead Space 2, let's read what it says. To unlock your exclusive set of Isaac. Oh. Inspired armor and take the 5 strengths to follow these instructions. You have to have Dead Space 2 to unlock an armor called Sir Isaac's armor. I don't know if that's shown in Dead Space 2, but yeah, you can unlock it in Dragon Age 2. Here's the box. I mean, here's the manual. Let me just get this out. Register game online. Some extra stuff in here. Some pictures. And other writing. Here's the box again. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for our next video. Peace.